Investors watching the developments in the Asia-Pacific region won't run short of fresh economic data in the week ahead, including further color on Australia's business and consumer confidence, as well as an update on China's trade balance and level of inflation. The week starts out Monday with National Australia Bank's survey on business confidence in September after having fallen to a below-average level in August. However, despite the downtick, NAB Group Chief Economist Alan Auster said there was an overall improvement across the business sector, with rebounds in forward orders and capital spending, along with high levels of capacity utilization and profitability. These indicators suggested that investment should continue to grow. Meanwhile, consumer sentiment in Australia fell to its weakest point since November last year. According to Westpac Melbourne's Institute Index of Consumer Sentiment, confidence has generally been shaken by increases in mortgage interest rates, political instability, and household budget pressures. Westpac noted that consumer views around family finances remained notably weaker and were relatively downbeat on spending. Furthermore, heightened political instability had led to Australian Treasurer Scott Morrison's victory over incumbent Malcolm Turnbull in late August. This has spurred further uncertainties. Westpac is set to release its latest gauge on consumer confidence for September on Tuesday, which will be followed by the Reserve Bank of Australia's Financial Stability Review on Thursday. The RBA had kept its interest rate unchanged at 1.5% at its monetary policy meeting earlier this month, with Governor Philip Lowe reiterating that household consumption remains a source of uncertainty as incomes remain low and debt continues to be at elevated levels. Investors Thursday will also receive data on Australian home loans. Elsewhere, China's calendar will also be quite busy Thursday, with the country's trade data set for release amid escalating tensions with the U.S. The prior month's trade surplus had narrowed somewhat as China continues to contend with U.S.-imposed tariffs and little progress towards a resolution. Following the trade balance report, investors will get fresh figures on foreign direct investment in China, as well as a reading on the country's inflation rate and producer prices coming off the weekend. In the meantime, select the event calendar option in the IBKR Trader workstation for a full list of U.S. and global corporate events and earnings, dividend schedules, economic data, IPOs, and more. I'm Stephen Levine for Interactive Brokers, asking you to enjoy the week ahead.